Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 5 Mark IV, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So, to get started, you don't need to grab anything, because the tray right here is actually toolless, which is pretty nice. So all you need to have is just a bit of a fingernail that you can wedge right here. If you can get the light, you can see right here. And there we go, it just comes out. Now on the tray itself, you have space for SD card on one side and then SIM card on the other. As you can see, the tray that is a little bit bigger will accommodate your SD. Once you place it in, if it's correctly in there, it should not fall out, as you can see. And then we can also place our SIM card on the other side. There we go, same as before, it should not fall out. Anyway, from here we just want to put it back in, and now chances are it's gonna go only one way, and I don't recall which way it was, so let's just see. That seems a little bit rough. I'm gonna try to flip it over. Oh no, okay, so SIM card on the top is the correct way. Now once you insert it in, it should start reading both of the cards right away. As you can see, it SD card is already detected, and SIM card as well, it's giving you reception for it. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.